Welcome students. This is exercise 3A problem. Then 3A problems la using this only multiplication problem. See, multiplying this first value is 2 into 7 into 50. 2 into 7 into 50. So in the three values we multiply பண்ண போறோம். So first of all I choose it this first two values multiply பண்றோம் and then அந்த answer ஓட third one values multiply பண்றோம். ஓகேவா? first two value choose பண்ணிக்கிறோம். two value choose பண்ணி answers ஓட third value multiply பண்றோம். First of all 2 into 7 into 50 is it? So first நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா I choose it this 50 and then second one is 2 and then second one is I choose it this 2 that is equal 1 2 into 0 0 2 into 0 0 and 2 5s are 10 that is 100 is it? Yes, that is 100. So 50 into 2 that is equal to 100. So 2 ஐயும் 50 ஐயும் நான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். யூஸ் பண்ணி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது the answer is 100 is it? So the answers ஓட 100 into remaining இருக்கிற values என்ன? already நான் 2 ஐயும் and 50 ஐயும் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். remaining இருக்கிற value is 7. that is 7 into 100 700. So finish. So 2 into 7 into 50 which is equal 2 into 7 into 50 which is equal 700 which is equal 700. This is the answer. And then second one B. This is also a 3 value 7 into 4 into 25. First of all I am using this value 25 and into 4. I am choosing this. First I am choosing this value is 25 into 4. So first of all I choosing this 2 value that is equal to answers and then answers into third value. Is it? So 25 1 25s are 25, 2 25s are 50, 3 25s are 75, 4 25s are 100. 4 25s are 100. This is the answer is 25 into 4 that is equal to 100. Then this answer oda third one value நம்ம இன்னும் யூஸ் பண்ணவே இல்ல that is 7. So 100 into 7. So 100 into 7 700. So first of all நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா 7 into 4 multiply பண்ணி and then வர answer ஓட into 25 multiply பண்ணாலும் which is equal to the same answer. They give to the same answers. So easy way ல follow பண்ணலாம். So எந்த two values multiply பண்ணா நமக்கு ஈஸியா answers find out பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால தான் first 25 and then second one choose it as 4. So 7 into 4 answer and then third one 7 into 4 multiply பண்ணி அந்த answers ஓட 25 multiply பண்ணாலும் they give to the same answer. But this is the easy way. So 25 into 4 which is equal to 100. 100 into 7 that is equal to 700. அப்படினு டைரக்ட்டா values ஈஸியான வேல ஃபாலோ பண்ணலாம். That is 7 into 4 into 25 which is equal 700. Which is equal 700. And then this is the problem. This is also 5 into 8 into 20. Into 8 into 20. And then I am choosing this value 20 into 5. 20 into 5. First of all 20 into 5 which is equal to 125 120s are 20, 220s are 40, 320s are 60, 420s are 80, 520s are 100. 520s are 100. Is it? So directly நம்ம values substitute பண்ணாலும் no problem. Same 5 table substitute பண்ணாலும் no problem. That is equal to 5 into 0 that is 0. 5 2s are 10 that is equal to 100. So directly நம்ம tables use பண்ணாலும் no problem. Okay? 5 table 1 5s are 5 so 2 5s are 10 அப்படினு directly value substitute பண்ணாலும் no problem. So directly நம்ம values substitute பண்ணாலும் the same answer. So 100 I choose it this 20 and second value is 5. So third one value is remaining இருக்கு. So answers ஓட third one values multiply பண்ணனும். 100 into 8. 100 into 8 that is equal easy இத நம்ம find out பண்ணா 800. 5s are 40 into 20 multiply பண்ணாலும் they give to the same answer 800. So easier find out பண்றது தான் இந்த methods நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்றோம். 5 into 8 into 20 which is equal 800, which is equal 800. And then D problem. This is also the same problem. 4 into 6 into 50. So I am using this first value 50 and second value is 4. Is it? So 150s are 50, 250s are 100, 350s are 150, 450s are 200. So நம்ம இப்படி நோட் பண்ணலாம். That is 200 and then நீ fourth table வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். 1 into 0 0, 4 5s are 20. 1 into 0 0 and 4 5s are 20. This is the same answer. Is that same answer 200. So two values use பண்ணா that is 50 and 4 multiply பண்ணா that is equal to 200. And third one value using this third one value 200 into 6 that is equal to then 60 0 and then same 600 and then 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So 1 into 0 into 6 0 and second one the same 0 into 6 0 and 6 2s are 12. Answer is 1200. Answer is 1200. So 4 into 6 into 50 that is equal 1200. And then C problem 4 into 11 into 25. 4 into 11 into 25 the same problem. I am using this 25 first of all and second one is the 4. First I am choosing this 25 and second one is 4. This is also using the fourth table or 25th table. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் 4 table வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் and then 25 table வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். 1 25 is 25, 2 25 50 and 3 25 75 and 4 25 is 100. 4 25 is 100. So 25 table 4 times mention பண்ணாலும் that is equal to 100 and 4 table 25 times mention பண்ணாலும் that is equal to 100. So 4 5s are 4 table mention பண்ணோம்னா 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Remaining 2. Then 4 2s are 8 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. This is also 100. So 4 table use பண்ணாலும் the same 4 table use பண்ணாலும் they give to the same answer and 25 tables use பண்ணாலும் that is the same answer. So first of all I am choosing this 25 and second one number is 4. So third one is the remaining number. So answer 100 and into 11. Into 11. So direct நம்ம answers mention பண்ணனும்னா 0 0 into 1 11s are 11. 0 0 1 11s are 11. That is 1100. That is 1100. So 4 into 11 4 into 11 into 25 that is equal 1100. So finish. So நம்ம direct values 4 into 11 multiply பண்ணனும் 100 into 11 multiply பண்ணாலும் that is equal to the 1100. And then F problem the two values problem 36 into 25. So in the 36 into 25 ங்கிற tables 36 split பண்ணலாம் 6 6 are 36. So நம்ம டைரக்ட்டா மல்டிபிள் பண்ணலாம் இந்த two values டைரக்ட்டா மல்டிபிள் பண்ணலாம் then 25 tables 25 5 5s are 25 அப்படினு ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணலாம். So first of all I am choosing this. So ரெண்டு values எந்த values வேணாலும் நம்ம ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் 6 6 are 36 வேணாலும் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணலாம் and 5 5s are 25 அப்படிங்கற values நம்ம ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணலாம். So டைரக்ட்டா நம்ம மல்டிபிள் பண்ணாலும் which is equal to the they give to the same answer. So 36 into 5 into 5 that is equal to 5 5s are 25. Is it 5 5s are 25. So 36 the same value and 25 மட்டும் split பண்ணிரோம் 5 5s are 25. First I am choosing this 36 into 5. So நான் first எந்த values choose பண்ணிக்கிறேன்னா 36 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 0 and remaining 3. Then 3 5s are 15 or 5 3s are 15. So 3 table 5 times mention பண்ணலாம் or 5 table 3 times mention பண்ணலாம். 3 5s are 15 plus 3. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 18. That is 18. 108. So 108 into and then third one value I choose it this 5. This is also 5. So using this fifth table, so 5 0 0. So normal multiplication 5 0 0 and 5 table 8 times. 5 table 8 times 5 0 0. 5 8s are or 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 or 5 8s are 40. 40 is 0 and remaining 4. And then 5 1s are 5 plus 4. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. Plus 4 9. Answer is 900. So 36 into 25 which is equal to 900. And then G problem. 14 into 50. 14 into 50. 14 7 2s are 14. Split பண்ணலாம். And then 50 25 into 2. Split பண்ணலாம். Then I choose it this 14. So 14 ங்கிற values நம்ம எப்படி split பண்ணலாம்னா then 7 2s are 14. This is also 50. This is also 50. Is it? Yes. First I am choosing this 50 and second one is choosing this 7. 50 into 7 into 2. 50 into first I am choosing this 50 and second one is a 2. So 50 into 7. 1 50s are 50. 2 50s are 100. And then third one is 700 into 7. That is equal. Answer is 700. Okay. Then H problem. This is also H. 35 into 20. 35 into 20. 35 then 20 10 2s are 20 split பண்ணலாம் and 35 tables ஐயும் fifth table யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35. Then I am choosing this 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35 into 20. First of all I am choosing this 20 and second one is a 5. So 20 into 5 which is equal to 500 and 5 2s are 10, that is 100 and third one is 7. So 100 into 7 which is equal 700 which is equal 7 into 100 direct value 700. This is also 35 into 20 that is equal 700. The normal way of the multiplication. So normally ஒரு multiplication values 2 values இல்லாம 3 values எப்படி மல்டிபிள் பண்றதுன்னு தான் ஃபுல்லாவே multiplication sumsல நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.